In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Venmo card with this step-by-step guide. Let's get started by making sure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your device. Maintaining up-to-date apps is important for both security and functionality. So if you don't have automatic updates enabled, it's a good idea to check for updates manually. Now open the Venmo app. Log into your account using your username and password, or if you prefer, you can use Face ID or Touch ID, whichever is set up for extra convenience and security. Once you're logged in, you'll see a series of icons at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Cards tab. This might look like a credit card or wallet. Go ahead and tap it. After you access the Cards section, you'll see options related to Venmo cards. Select your Venmo debit card from this list. In the details of your card, you'll see an option to activate. Tap on Activate to proceed. This will take you to the next screen where you'll need to enter some card information. Here you'll be prompted to type in the last 4 digits of your Venmo card. Depending on your card specifics, you might also need to enter the expiration date or the security code found on the card. Double check these numbers as accuracy here is key to successful activation. Once that's done, there's an option to set up a personal identification number or PIN. Creating a 4-digit PIN is optional, but highly recommended if you plan to use the card to withdraw cash at ATMs. Setting up a PIN adds an extra layer of security and access flexibility for your banking needs. And there you have it. If you've entered the necessary information correctly, you should see a confirmation screen stating that your Venmo card is now active. With your card activated, you can make purchases, withdraw cash, or transfer money. Basically, enjoy all the benefits your Venmo card has to offer. A few final tips before we wrap up. Make sure that your Venmo app remains updated to avoid any technical glitches, and should you run into any issues during the activation process, contact Venmo support. You can do this through the app itself or by visiting their help page at help.venmo.com. They're there to assist you with any concerns that might arise. That covers everything you need to know about activating your Venmo card. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy spending!